Good morning. This is Jeff from the Watkins tree farm. How are you guys? I hope you're doing well. We had some major storms last night. As you saw in the intro, that's about as close as they got. They built right over here and headed that way. And down in Andover, Kansas, got a pretty good tornado. And I hope and pray all those people are all right and minimal damage. As you can see, we did get some wind, a lot. We were even under a dust storm warning. Never seen that, but it got with it last night, and obviously you can see blew these limbs out. It's still blowing like crazy out of the northwest today. But today's video, I'm going to take the John Deere 1025R and I'm going to do a bunch of different tasks and different attachments. So first, we're going to mow a little bit. And then I'm going to put the bucket on there and the forks, and we're going to move these limbs, and then I'm going to go get some mulch, and we'll mulch that front bed, and I'm going to take you guys along. guys notice what I did wrong on that first move? Yeah, I forgot the ballast and I left the ROPS down. Sorry about that. As you can see, I got the box blade on there, and momentarily I'll get the ROPS up and we'll get this last limb. Well, this is becoming a very productive day, and once again I'm very thankful that I have the 1025R John Deere tractor. And I thought I'd take you along today because I'm using almost all the attachments. Yesterday I used the tiller for 2.5 hours for a buddy of mine that I used to work with. It was so windy and so dusty, I wouldn't have been able to do a good video for you guys. I wish I could have, but I'm taking you along today. Right now, I'm gonna take the forks off of the tractor. You don't need to see that. I will meet you over at the flower bed with a full load of mulch, and we will continue from there. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but I think it's starting to look nice. What a productive day, guys. I cannot believe it. This tractor has been a lifesaver, and I'm so glad I got it. And just makes things so much easier, so much more efficient. And I thought that I was gonna use so many attachments today that I wanted to take you along. So I hope you enjoyed the video. We got those limbs taken care of. I left a little bit of grass for you guys, so we got that mowed. And then here we're finishing up with the mulch. So I thank you guys for following along. I hope you subscribe to the channel. We've had a lot of subscribers lately, and I say thank you. So you guys take care. God bless. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.